Fatsai. Happy New Year, everyone. Chinese New Year is the most important holiday of the year in China. The public holiday lasts for 3 days and is the biggest celebration of the year. Fireworks and dragon dancers perform loudly and to drive the evil spirits and bad luck from the coming year. I was born in 2005, the year of the rooster, which is also known as the year of the phoenix. Since this is the year of the monkey, I will introduce to you the most famous monkey in China, the Monkey King. He and the Princess of the Magic Fan will be performing a short piece called Borrowing the Magic Fan. Thank you.